My buddy Ed wrote the book, The Magnetic Project Manager. A lot of PMs think that they can rely on tools to get good. Microsoft Project, Smartsheets, PlanView, Monday.com, and all the other goofy tools out there. Now, I'm not saying those tools are goofy. I'm just saying people often focus more on tools. So, Ed, what do you have to say about that? Do you think tools can save a PM's bacon?
No, I don't, and I like since I'm a vegetarian, I don't even eat bacon, so it's not even worth it for me. So, but I do think that it's important that we focus on what the main thing is, and it's people. People are what drives projects, not tools. Tools are a opportunity to aid the project on, but people are the one that create and drive the project to success. So that's why I think it's important that we focus on the people and allow the tools to assist us in the way.
I love it. And we can find this book on Amazon, right? You'll put a link for
Yeah,
us below.
absolutely. Amazon or Barnes and Nobles, you can find it there.
Awesome.